Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for the support. In this video, I want to share with you another company that have found our community. Yes. You're looking at Super Clean, okay? That makes cleaning products for the home, for garage, for manufacturing, sports fields, airport, transportation, farm, drilling. Is like their products is just all around, you know, and they tackle the toughest messes. So in this video, I wanted to show you what they sent us. All right, so excuse me for the way I'm sounding. I'm getting over I've been a little bit under the weather, so I'm trying to get over this cold. But let's start with this here. So here we have the Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. Okay, this one, it dissolves grease super easy and super fast, according to what they're saying. And you can use it for engines, you can use it for tools, grills, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other cleaning uses. Okay, and here for the Super Clean, they have an all-wheel cleaner, and it foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy and super fast. So if you need a cleaner for your wheels of your car or whatnot, you can also give this a try. And last but not least, they have this. It's a new one. It's an easy spray aerosol can Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. It dissolves grease super easy, super fast. Also, these products are biodegradable detergents as well. Okay, and so also I just want to show you before I begin, they sent some gifts. Oh my god, this is so cute. You know, they had asked me to choose a cap that I wanted, so I choose the army fatigue cap. So they gave me this, and then as a gift they also gave me the t-shirt. Thank you so much, Super Clean. I am super excited to try your products today on this video. I'm trying one of them, and the one I'm gonna try to show you is the Super Clean, the aerosol, because I see easy spray aerosol can, so I want to see how easy the grease I'm about to show you, the mess I'm about to show you. I'm gonna show you how it works, because I left the mess on my stovetop for you guys, because I wanted to share with you how these products work, how this works. So in the next clip, you're gonna see what it can do. Okay, and over here I just have like some of their brochures here that just speak a little bit about their products. Also too, I wanted to point out they have one of their products here called the Super Clean Floor Absorbent. It absorbs spills super easy, super fast. And it's also here, I like this, it's environmentally friendly. So it's all natural, organic, more effective and economical, virtually dust-free, contains no silica or asbestos, and it lessens the load on our nation's landfills. So this is also new, this product that they have here that you can look into. And if you want more information, just check out superclean.com. And also, excuse me a minute, let me pick up, if you want to know where to find them too, they also sent some info here. I wanted to share where to buy Super Clean. You could get them at Ace Hardware, you could get them at Advanced Auto Parts, Amazon, AutoZone, Bland's Farm and Fleet, Do It Best, Fleet Farm, Lowe's, Measure, I think I'm saying it right, Menards, Napa, O'Reilly, Orgill, Pep Boys, True Value, and Walmart. So yes, if you want to know where to buy it, you can buy it at any of these locations wherever you are in the United States. So let's get started with not the mixing, we're gonna get started with the cleaning. So again, I'm gonna use the Super Clean Tough Task Degreaser on my stovetop. So let's see what my stovetop is looking like. Alright, so over here I'm showing you the condition of my stove. Guys, I left this stove in this condition on purpose, all because I wanted to show you what this Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser can do. It says it dissolves grease super easy and super fast, and yes it does, because I did a spot check, and that's what you want to do. Whichever surface you're working on, do a spot check before you continue your task, so that you can see like how it works, because or if it because it's a very strong formulation, and so if it's certain surfaces, it can damage certain surfaces. So before you take your work any further, always, it also advises that too. It advises that that you do a pre-test. Okay, it says to avoid, it says it here, to avoid damaging surfaces, always pre-test on the inconspicuous area for surface integrity and to check if the color is affected. Make sure the surface is as cool as possible. So that's one of the things they say to do. So I did that, and this surface here, the stove, is definitely cool. And I already did a spot check. I didn't show you guys, but we're gonna see what this does. So the next thing it says to cover the surface with the Super Clean in an appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow to dry on surface. So let's go. So I'm gonna take each section at a time. Then I'm going to show you. So let's spray. And spray it on. I can't let it dry. Let's spray it real quick. Okay. So, alright. And over here too. Alright. So as you can see, you hear the sizzling. It's activating. And you can't let it dry, but I am giving it some time to pick up the grease and everything. And then now we're going to wipe. You see that? Do you see what it's doing? You look at this. You lift up the grease. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. It really does do it. Super easy and super fast. And be careful if you have children. Don't keep this around them. This, yeah, it's very strong, so I must warn you about that. But it's getting the job. It's getting it done. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. It really is lifting this super easy, super fast. Just a few swipes. I mean, I went over it a few times, but it really is super easy, super fast. I just sprayed this down, and usually when I'm working with tough mess, I have to like really get in there and get all my elbow grease. But honestly, this really did lift up the stain very quickly. I'm gonna do it one more time on the other side so you can see. Yes. Do it one more time on the other side. See? I'll show you. See that? This is in real time, guys. I didn't pause the video and do anything. I'm showing you in real time. This is what it did. And now take a look at this side. Ah! Take a look, and we're about to do it again on this side. Let me get some more paper. So I would suggest to use paper towels. All because you could just dispose of it. You don't have to, because I'm telling you, this formulation is really strong. So you don't want this lingering in like rags or anything. Just use paper towels. I would suggest, not just my suggestion. Use a paper towel so you could just discard it after. But all right, so I'm gonna spray a little bit more here. You're about to see it again. See? And also I'm wearing gloves too. It also advises to wear gloves if you need to wear gloves as well. It is eating away at this grease. Oh my gosh. And watch what's about to happen, guys. Are you ready? One swipe. Oh, it's gone. It's gone, guys. Do you see that? Just like that. And it cuts, I'm telling you, this is gonna cut the time in half that you spend cleaning your kitchen surfaces or any other surfaces with tough stains. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Super Clean, for sending me these products, because this is really gonna cut my cleaning time in half whenever I do need to use something that's gonna tackle the tough stains. I'm so grateful for these products. Thank you so much. Look, guys, just do another swipe just to show you. Then I'm gonna finish the rest of my cleaning off camera, but just wanted to show you so you can really see that this works. And I'm just gonna touch up this area, but I'm gonna do a little bit more after. But yes, do you see this? I'm telling you, the grease that was on my stove was bad, and I only left it like that so I can show you guys. Super easy, super fast. Look at that. Take a look. Do you know how much times, like when there's grease on the stove, sometimes you have to really be scrubbing. Well, not with this. Yeah. So here it is. Super clean, tough task cleaner degreaser. It really does dissolve the stains super easy and super fast. Check them out on their website, superclean.com. If you want to make a purchase, they have other products that you can try. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested for more DIYs, for more videos coming your way. Okay? And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I see you all in my next video. Later.